Brother, how are you?
I'm also fine. How are you?
I am top of the world. And how do you know about English fantasy?
I know about English Fantasy is a residential care, also basic at IELTS Institute. It's a very good institute for a student. That's I like English Fantasy.
Okay.
So, Mustafi's brother.
Yes.
How do you know about English Fantasy?
I have known about English fantasy by Facebook, and I could not speak in English properly at the time. But when I joined in English fantasy, now I can speak in English fluently. Okay, because there are lots of intelligent and there are lots of good teacher here, and they teach me properly, and their guideline is very good. That's why we easily speak in English properly and fluently. Okay, now you tell me what is your experience and what is the environment of English fantasy.
Okay. English Fantasy is the environment of English. Everyone should talk to English properly. If you don't know English,
Yes.
but you have to try to how to speak English.
Yes.
This is the environment of English Fantasy. English Fantasy teaches us try and try, never give up.
Yes, we know that English fantasy environment is extreme level is good.
Yeah.
Okay, because we have to speak in English every time and every situation.
Otherwise, they find him.
Yes.
Yeah.
And
So I think Rajan sir.
yes,
I think Rajan sir make a good environment.
yes.
How is your journey in English Fantasy?
Okay. Well, truly, my journey was not a good, because some days ago I could not speak in English properly, but right now I can speak in English properly. Its big reason is our environment is very good. English fantasy is good. Environment is very good, and that's why we learned English easily. And our teacher is very talented, and they teach us easiest way, and they teach us is very easily. That's why we catch easily any English, and we can speak in English properly and easily.
You know, especially our class mentor and our main teachers are very hardworking for us.
Yes, yes.
They all time teaches us.
That's why
they are
we-
very frankful and friendly teachers
Yes.
for me, because they are teaching category, teaching purpose. They always help us.
Yes. Thank you, brother. Join us and take care and.
Thank you. Allah Hafiz.